Hey everyone, is your name different now? Or maybe you have noticed a typo in your Payoneer account name. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to update your name on your Payoneer account. First, go to your web browser, then go to your Payoneer official website, then log into your account. Now you are in your account dashboard where you can see multiple options which you can use, but this is not necessary right now. I'm gonna click on my profile, then select setting. After clicking profile setting, it will take you to their edit option where you can see your name and email. I'm clicking on edit. We can see here request a name change. If you click on it, they will offer you maybe two options. Yeah, two options. One is legal name change if you legally change your name, so you can select it. Another is error during registration. If you face any type of error during registration, you can change your name as well. Then you can select this option. Click on submit, then save your changes. So your Payoneer account name has changed. This is that easy and simple way to change your account name. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.